guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day as I will be doing an unboxing again, but it won't be an Hermes bag this time. Perhaps it's going to be more exciting than that, at least for me. And something exciting for you guys, I will also be doing my first giveaway in this video, so do watch till the end of the video to find out how to enter. Yes, it's finally happening. I've waited quite a while for this, so let's get to it now. Ta-da! I just received this. I've been waiting for quite a while for this. I don't know why it took so long. I think they had to find out if I was legit or not, or whether I'm going to be consistent in my efforts on YouTube. And yes, I made it. And thank you to all of you. You've made it all possible by subscribing to my channel, and it is you all who made it possible. For this moment, it is an emo moment. I don't know, it's quite an achievement for me at least. It's just been 3 months since I relaunched and revamped my YouTube. I started posting videos on YouTube 2 years ago, but I wasn't very consistent. I was just dabbling in it and making bad videos. I decided to be consistent on YouTube because I have a lot to share with all of you, and it makes me so happy that you guys enjoy my content. At first, I was quite insecure about it, especially making long videos, and people are telling me that I should make like 5-minute videos, 6-minute videos, and I was like, yeah, maybe, right? Because I was afraid that people are not gonna stay and watch till the end of my video, but I was wrong. And you know, when I read comments like, make longer videos, Jamie, you know, we can't get enough of you, I really appreciate it. It just really makes me happy and makes my day. So yeah, please keep the support coming. Thank you very much to all of you who have already subscribed to my channel. I have a lot more content to share about my life, and trying to create new content to keep this channel interesting for all of you. And you guys have left so many comments on so many good ideas, and I really can't wait to make all these videos for you. So yay! A clap for myself. So let's see how this looks like. It's still in its original packaging. Looks a little bit worn out because it came all the way from the USA. Now let's savor the moment. And what does this say? You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Whoa. And I am now almost 300,000, guys. Keep the subscription coming. Make it 300, make it 500, please. I worked really hard for this. We know that the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Oh, they were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Oh, I'm all that. How cute. You achieved this milestone with hard work. Oh my God, this is such an inspirational letter. I'm going to frame this up and keep it for life. I'm going to continue reading. You've achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I know. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. Yeah, nobody can take away anything from you without your permission. Always remember that. And would like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. Thank you. I love this letter so much. We know that you don't do this for rewards. Yeah, of course I don't. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Thank you again to my YouTube family, and thank you for all the care, and you have no idea how much this means to me. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now. Yes, it does, unless all of you help me. But you are closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Yes, congratulations from the CEO of YouTube. Let's open this up. Presented to Jamie Chua for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. Yay! And yes, there it is, my Silver Play Button Award. Now, let's get to the next level soon. Go play button. And now, let's find a home for the Silver Play Button Award. Yay! How about right outside my main door? There. Part of my main door. There. Yes, this is a perfect spot on Clevy's Urus, and he shall drive around and be proud of my silver play button. How's that? Looks good, but I think he's gonna freak out. How about here, in this empty wall, they can use it as a mirror to check their lip sync before they leave the house. How about I put it inside one of my handbags and just carry it around? That would be too ostentatious and kind of like, you know, boastful. I don't think so. Just kidding, you know, I'm not the boastful kind. But I'm just so proud of my award, you know. I think the safest place will be in my room. There are no empty walls. Too big. Too big. It's pretty good here, I think. Yeah. Maybe. I mean, I would like to put it in my famous handbag wall, but it means that one of the bags will have no home. Anyway, I think I found a perfect spot, which should be here. But no one's gonna see it. I know, I'm gonna invite everybody here. Okay, this is where it should be. And so, the moment you have all been waiting for, my first giveaway is happening right now. It's this beautiful dress from H&M in collaboration with Giambattista Valli. It's a long gown, brand new, in size 34. I've never worn this before. And this dress will go to the lucky winner. And here's how to enter. Step 1. Follow me on Instagram. 2. Be a subscriber on my YouTube channel. 3. Leave a comment below this video with your Instagram handle and tell me how you will rock this dress, and I will pick a lucky winner at random. This giveaway is open internationally, so everybody can join. The winner will be announced in my next video. So thank you for sharing this special moment with me, all of you. I'll see you next week, and good luck for the giveaway. And it's actually a mirror
I could use this to admire myself for
my content and creativity, and beauty, and humor, and the list goes on.